Hey everyone, this is an introduction video to PixV. Let's quickly check out what PixV does. So let's create a new virtual environment to install our PixV package. I will be using Conda here. Let's wait for a while. Alright, let's activate our virtual environment. And now let's install our package. You just need to type pip install PixV and it will be installed in your PC. Okay, so as you can see, we have a PixV package over here. It says version 0.1.2. So let's quickly see what PixV does. So here we have a .png file. Let's write a suitable name, xyz.png. So let's add our let's add our image. So we are creating a root node by this command. We will be initializing a graph. So let's wait for a while. It will create a .pickle file, and that pickle file will contain the graph for the image. Okay, so it says the image graph has been initialized for xy.png, and here's the path of the graph, right? So let's see what's our image right now. All right, so this is our initial image, right? So let's try to change this image and then we'll store the changes. So I guess I will just draw some lines over here and then I'll save image. And now let's try to commit our changes. We will need to mention the path of the image, and then uh, we have to write the message. Let's write change one, and then of course the author. Alright, so yes, it says added a new version. So let's check out uh, what's our image right now. Yes, so this is our image after creating a new version, right? And what will happen if I will again use the same command without even changing the image? So it says, so it raises an exception and it says image has not been changed with respect to the current location of the head in the graph image, right? So, and also we can check out the version for the version history for our graph, right? So it prints all the logs for our graph that we created, and now we can also revert the graph by one position. Yes, so it says the head has been reverted to this node, and you can see the node has been specified by a few these four attributes. One of the most important one is this unique ID. So we can also use this unique ID to shift our head to a specific node in our version tree. So let's try PixV shift, and then we'll type the name of the image, and then we'll specify the ID. Okay, so our head is now pointing over here. So let's shift our head to this unique ID. Yes, so it says that it's starting search from root node, and then it shifted our head this position CF, D1 to CF, and D1 to CF is here. So let's check out what's our image here. Right, so you can see this was the version that we just created after sketching some few lines over here. Okay, so PixV also supports few more commands. Let's see what are those commands. So we check, so we just checked what's show, shift, revert. Okay, so we can also see the starting image that was stored in the root node of the graph by using this command, and then again specifying the name of the image. Okay, so this was our starting image that was stored in the root node. Then let's check the hist. What hist does is it prints a tree structure of our version tree in the terminal. So let's check hist xyz. Yes, so you can see this was our starting version, and that we also created a new version. So now let's try to create some branches in our version tree. So let's first see where our head is pointing right now. Extremely sorry. The head is currently pointing to the following graph node. Right. So let's do some more changes. So yes, we added two stars over here. So let's try to commit our changes. Let's write a message that two stars. We add two stars. It takes a little bit of time. Okay, so it says we added new version. And now let's check out the hist for our image. Okay, so now let's revert to the previous version, and now let's create a branch in this in this graph. So okay, let's do a bit of change. Mm, so we added a big blue star over here. Mm, so let's try to commit our changes. So we added a new version.